In our busy lives, it's easy to lose touch with something essential, our connection to nature. We live in a world filled with screens, schedules, and constant demands. And while progress and productivity are important, so too is pausing, breathing, and remembering where we come from. In the chaos of modern life, nature offers something priceless: stillness. It doesn't ask for anything in return, yet it gives so much. A sense of clarity, a reminder of resilience, and a deep connection to something greater than ourselves. Let nature heal you. Let it guide you, and let it remind you that you too are a force of nature.